Hey guys, so this is a video looking at the K&N air filter E-2991. This is just going to be an unboxing of the product. We're not going to be fitting it or anything like that, just so you can see what you get with it. So like I said, E-2991, this fits the Alfa Romeo 1.4 and I think also the 2 litre, the 1.4 T-jets basically on the, I think on the 159, maybe the Giulietta also. Usual K&N box, nothing special here. All the filters come with the same type of box, and this is the filter itself. And you can see it's an absolutely massive filter. Get the usual spiel inside the K&N filter box. If you get a leaflet, and then you get 2 stickers in the bottom, standard fare for all the filters. And then you get this beast. Actually, hold on, let me just get a tape measure. Okay, so the inner neck diameter is a massive 100 millimeters. Overall diameter is 150 millimeters. The length of the filter is 220 millimeters, and including the flange it is 230 millimeters. So the neck flange is 10 millimeters. It's a standard replacement for the original filter, but if you're looking for a 100 millimeter neck cone filter, I think you could probably use this also. There is a bit of a trumpet action going on the neck, but I suppose you could put a hard pipe in. It's not ideal, and you're going to lose a bit of diameter. So I think you're better off just going for a universal cone filter. The only exception to that rule, I would say, is if you want a paper cone filter. You're looking at about, once you crush it down, probably around 95 millimeter neck. Then I suppose you could use the original air filter for the 1.4 T-jets. But I digress. So, like I said, this is the K&N air filter. It comes ready to rock and roll. Comes in the bag, as you see. All the K&N air filters come in the same bag. Comes with a rubber top with a K&N logo. But you're not going to see this on this particular car because obviously it's going in the airbox. Huge air filter. So that's it, guys. That's the K&N air filter. Product code E2991. Thanks for watching. Please vote in the video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again next time.